Hello, welcome to another skateboarding channel. We're not going to mess around, we'll jump straight into the action today. We're having a little trip around the world and we're going to start off in Australia. Check this out. You won't believe what's going on in this bowl. Unbelievable, the way these girls are pushing the sport. They skate better than I do, that is for sure. You tell me what you think. Complete sickness.
Oh, I love Bolorama, it's such a fun event and there's so many legends out here and so many pros.
Well, that was pretty sick, I've got to be honest. But next up we're going to take a little trip over to my local, swing on by over to Watford skate park. This place ain't going to be here for much longer, so if you're in the UK after the lockdowns end, get over there and shred it before it goes. December 2020, it's out. Get there. I'm gonna miss that spot when it's gone, but it's not the end of the world. There's other places. Let's take a trip over to Barcelona. Basically everywhere you see on this screen is a good skate spot. that's for sure. Check out this is Go Skate Day.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Christian Grasimirov. We are at the skateboarding day today, and everyone is killing it out here in Macba, doing so good tricks, man, and just having fun, man. Skating. Macba is a good place for having fun with the homies, drink some beers, enjoying the night, like finish the session with the day, and just have fun with your friends here, you know. Beautiful girls, a lot, and yeah, Macba life, doggy.
We are here at Macba right now for the skateboarding day, and you know what it is, it's all about to have fun. We're just skating right here, there's a lot of people, and the best trick is about to start it right now at the tree block. They're giving up some money for those tricks, and that's it, skateboarding day. Let's have some fun and fucking skate! Oh my God! Esto viene con gafas, llaveros.
Thanks for joining us over here at another skateboarding channel. It's been fun. Come back soon. Like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. Peace.